Following on from our DJ streaming documentary, we have heard from a collection of industry-leading artists about obstacles that they have had to overcome when approaching streaming for the first time. There are many tutorials available, however we really wanted to show you how simple it is to connect any line-level output from a DJ or performance mixer to a Scarlett interface for your stream. Using an audio interface such as the Focusrite Scarlett range will create a necessary link between your music performance and the chosen stream platform, delivering high-quality sounding audio to your audience. In this Focusrite tutorial video, we will show you how to connect your DJ or performance setup to OBS via a Scarlett 2i2 interface, ready for live streaming. Setting up your Scarlett with your computer is easier than ever. You can connect using the correct included USB cable for your computer or laptop. Simply double-click the mounted desktop icon and follow on-screen instructions to start the installation process. For both Mac and PC users, this will include downloading the latest version of Focusrite control software. Next, visit obsproject.com and download the free OBS software for your correct operating system, PC or Mac. Once downloaded, double-click the file and follow the OBS installation instructions on screen. Once open, this will be the screen we're presented with in OBS. When first setting up OBS, the center screen will be blank, waiting for us to configure our session. Let's begin by setting up the all-important audio connection. With your Scarlett interface connected via USB to your computer, click on Sources on OBS, select the plus button and select Audio Input Capture. Make sure the Create New checkbox is ticked, and we're going to name this input Scarlett 2i2. And just make sure the Make Source Visible box is also ticked. Once we click OK, this will give us the properties for the Scarlett 2i2. Select the device drop-down menu and select Scarlett 2i2. With this set up in OBS, ensure that the mic auxiliary channel on the audio mixer window is muted. This will stop any additional external audio mixing with the clean audio that's being delivered by the Scarlett from your mixer. Now we'll need to connect the DJ mixer to the front of the Scarlett 2i2. To do this, you'll need to connect the outputs of your DJ mixer from either one of the master outputs, or in some cases, DJ mixers will have a dedicated record output which mirrors the same output as the master channel. The Scarlett 2i2 will accept either XLR or balanced jack inputs. Both of these types of cables are easily sourced from a music equipment reseller. If you're using a record output, more often than not this will be an RCA connection, and there are lots of options available for this type of cable also. As we are working with a line source output from our DJ mixer, we need to ensure that the inputs are set accordingly before connecting the cables. After you've done so, connect the cables from the output of your DJ mixer to the front of the Scarlett 2i2. In addition, for playback audio, connect the outputs of your Scarlett to your monitor speakers. In this case, a set of Adam Audio T5Vs. Scarlett interfaces include the Halo system to ensure you set a good input level to your audio. Playing a test signal through your mixer, you'll see the halos around the inputs flash. Red means the incoming signal is too loud. You should use the loudest part of your track during this test and turn down accordingly, and set to green, ensuring that this is a suitable input level for OBS whilst leaving headroom. Because we are working with a stereo signal, make sure both channels 1 and 2 are set to the same for a balanced input signal. To ensure a signal is being received and it's at a suitable level, you can check this in the OBS software. OBS is very good at handling multiple camera sources and will work with inbuilt cameras on your computer, a connected webcam, a supported camera application for your smartphone, or even a DSLR if you're using a video capture card. To set this up, we also need to add this in the sources section, together with the audio set up from this scene. OBS will allow you to add overlays and images for unique branding visuals for your live streams. So why not add your DJ name or logo, or perhaps encourage your users to subscribe to your channel. OBS will allow you to create many different scenes. A scene, as we have demonstrated, is made up of media, audio, video, and many other sources. A collection of scenes can allow you to create engaging performances for your audience. In this new scene, we could remove the camera source and replace it, for example, with a secondary camera shot for your viewers, a pre-made video loop, or a holding image. So with the scenes in place, and the audio of our performance being captured and link through the Scarlett 2i2, it's time to broadcast our live stream. First, you will need to obtain the stream key from your chosen live stream platform. There are many streaming platforms available, and each one will have their own setup process for obtaining a stream key and going live. There are many tutorials online for these services, but in this example, we are using Twitch. To obtain the stream key, you will first need to create a Twitch account, and this will need to be pasted into the settings menu in OBS. Click Start Streaming and you will begin broadcasting to Twitch live. Your viewers will see everything you've created in the OBS session window, and you'll be able to transition between the scenes you have created live. So there we have a basic introduction on how you can set up a Scarlett interface with your DJ setup and stream live. Of course, there are many options when it comes to streaming, and in this example, it may feel that there is a lot to learn about Twitch and its community. But this tutorial should give you confidence and provide you with the basic knowledge you will need to share high quality audio with the online world. Thanks for watching.